In this video, I want to demonstrate how to add an external cosmetic thread as shown here on this part. So first I'm going to Control Tab back to my other part, and I'll rotate around so I can see the edge nice and clearly. I'm going to move my roll bar back to the bottom, and I want to add the cosmetic thread here. Now I've already modeled this up to 1/4 inch, so SolidWorks should recognize it requires one of the 2 quarter threads. To add a cosmetic thread, I'm going to come up to the drop down menus and select Insert. Then move down to Annotations and select Cosmetic Thread, because essentially this is an annotation I would like to show up in my part drawing. So I'll select Cosmetic Thread. Up here it says select a circular edge, where to insert it, so I'm going to select this edge. It has recognized it's 1/4 and it's set everything up for me. So it assumes I want the 1/4 inch standard, and it's grabbing the ANSI inch standard. I do. For now, there are no other types. I assume SolidWorks is working on changing this drop-down menu is why it's here. And I can choose any thread I want, but I do want the 1/4 20. Shows the minor diameter. The end condition this time is up to next, which will take it to this edge here. I could also choose blind or through all. I'm going to leave up to next, and I want to turn on the thread class. If you don't want that, you can shut it off. But I'm going to turn on the thread class, and I'll accept the 2A. And down here it shows the thread callout. If I don't want it to say machine threads, I'll come here and check show type, which will turn this on, and then when I uncheck it the next time, it will go away. So I don't like to see that machine threads. I don't want to tell people how to make stuff. I just want to tell them what it is, and they'll know how to make it. So there it shows my thread callout. I'll say OK, and I'm now added a 1/4 20 cosmetic thread. I know the thread's there for several reasons. One is this dotted line that shows the minor diameter. And 2, if I expand my initial feature, the revolve, where I added it, I can see the cosmetic thread. And if I click on it, it'll show the minor diameter here, and I can alter that like any diameter if I so choose.